before I move forward, it's gonna be remiss of me to not mention that MediaPipe belongs to Google. Okay, it's a research done by Google, so I just wanted to put that out there. Okay, so now you know. Before we move forward, I want to do a refresher, if you will, of some geometrics. Don't be scared. I too was scared. I used to say I hate maths. I used to be good at it, but internally I would say I hated it because I didn't know what was happening. And the way that I learn and assimilate stuff is by understanding the why, the rationale, the intuition behind a concept. Why are we doing it? I just don't want to know how. I could just tell you how I did it, just give you the code. But what good would that do? I'm not teaching you anything, right? So I want to teach you to understand what I did. It's not magic, it's just geometry, it's maths. Okay, so let's start off with a circle, right? So a circle basically has some properties. We have the diameter, which is like a straight line. So basically, degrees measures rotations, right? Rotations from one direction to the other. That's what degrees is all about, right? So we have a circle and we have the diameter. So if you rotate it halfway, first of all, the entire circumference of a circle is 360 degrees. It's standard. I cannot tell you why it's 360 degrees. So that part is still a mystery. I think it's just a standard done by these smart mathematicians. Okay, so we have a circle and it has diameter and it has circumference. I'm gonna wipe this off. These are like the properties, right? Properties of a circle. Then it has radius, which is half of the diameter, right? And it has area. Okay, and we calculate the circumference of a circle and the area using something we call pi, and pi is just a number. 3.14 something, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so the formula for what is the circumference? First of all, let's talk about that. So if I had a circle and I had like a string or a thread, and if I should wrap that thread around the circle, so the length of that thread will give me the circumference of that circle. Okay, so and the formula for that is 2 pi r. And we know that if you move around the circle and come back to the origin, point of origin, you're gonna get 360 degrees. So that is equal to the circumference. Okay, so we can say this is also equal to 360 degrees, isn't it? Tomato, tomatoes, just different metrics. One is in radian, the other one is in degrees. Okay, so now we understand that. So how do I get the angle? Okay, my entire arm made up of my shoulder, and there is this point which is my elbow, right? And I have my wrist. So if I put it straight like this, the middle becomes like